Good afternoon, this is Dominic again with your video vlogs here, my moto vlogs, my second moto vlog winter session. I'm just parking right here. I went to stop for a gas break. This is picking up from part 2 from where we left off. I drove from Kingston to Beacon. Now I'm going to be making my way back up north and I'm going to leave off at New Paltz. I'm going to stop to grab something to eat there, and that's going to be the video segment that you're going to see. This is the only time of year to do this. While the weather is nice now, I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity to get outside and get some sun. And get this, it's only February, so the weather is pretty warm out today, but we are going to get back some cold weather. This is the only time I'm going to be able to do this, so please enjoy this video segment. I have all my gear, of course. I have to be very protective. See all my gear, my pants, my jacket and everything, and it's got padding, so we're good. And my thing can only do up to 50-60 miles. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stop chatting, and I'm going to head back on the road. Catch you guys in a bit. This is Dominic again with your video follow-up here, and I apologize for the way that I look. I know my hair looks a little bit crooked. I'm trying to grow a little bit more so I can even out the mohawk here. While I have your attention for just a moment, in the video, of course, you see that I'm driving southbound on Route 9D going towards Garrison and to the Bear Mountain Bridge. At some point throughout the video, you're going to see that I'm riding along the Metro North Railroad, which is the Hudson line. You see the Hudson River right there. It's a pretty nice view, but I wanted to bring this to your attention because I may have mentioned this earlier in the video that I had gotten some gear for this winter. I went onto this website called the motorcyclecloseout.com website, and I ordered my motorcycle gear. I got the pants here. I got some of the gear that's here. I have the pants, of course, and I also have the jacket right here. This is the gear that I wear during the winter season when I go out riding because it gets relatively cold, especially during the winter season. I don't get out too much during the winter time, but it helps to have all that stuff because it does have a lot of padding on it, and there's some protection on it as well. Altogether, it cost me about $400. The jacket, I believe, was about $230 something, and the pants was about $130 some. So it came to about $400 and some change altogether. Though it is very expensive, it does protect me because had I not made that distinct decision to get the motorcycle gear and to spend the money the way that I did, I wouldn't have been able to protect myself. So it's good that I was able to do that because now when I get on the road, especially when I'm traveling on tough road, when I fall down or if I get into minor accidents, I won't have any bruises or anything like that. Maybe just a few bumps here and there, but when I fall out, I have protection. I have padding in the shoulders and I have padding in the knees. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention again. I'm not going to take much of your time. I hope you'll enjoy this video segment. I just figure I share with you guys. And yeah, please stay tuned for further updates. Hey guys, this is Dominic again. I'm outside of Route 32 near the gas station of Woodbury. I wasn't able to get as much as I normally would because at some point throughout the video, my camera died out. So I'm charging my batteries right now. The GoPro is in the back trunk here, and I'm charging my batteries. I have my helmet there. I'm just taking a little rest break. I just ate a granola bar, and I'm going to go on the rest of the way. I'm going to leave this video off here. I know I said I was going to leave off at New Paltz, but I'm actually going to leave off at Woodbury. So that's where the video is going to end. If you enjoyed all this and all my past content, please subscribe, stay updated, and I'll make sure to have more videos like this in the future. Spring is coming. The weather's going to get a lot warmer, so you're definitely going to see me on the road. Also, at some point, I know it's been a very long time since I kept up with the bike trails. I'll definitely have that back up. You're going to see me doing the bike vlogs again. I'm going to revisit Empire State Rail Trail. So that's the objective for that. So please be on the lookout for this upcoming spring. And as always, again, please subscribe, stay updated for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one, guys.